Coursera app provides you a feature of taking your favorite courses for free. Want to learn how to do it? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll be using Chrome. You can use a suitable browser of your choice. For that, tap on Chrome, tap on the search or type web address, enter here Coursera.org. This will take you to the official website of Coursera. You can see that I am already logged in. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now, tap on the three straight parallel lines on the top left corner. Tap and take a free course onto this goals section. You can see that these are all of the free courses related to a particular areas that you might be interested on. That's machine learning, indigenous Canada. These are all of the universities here. I'm randomly going to select one and show you how to do it. I want to learn about managing emotions in the times of uncertainty and stress. You can choose off your own courses, just like tap on it. Either you can continue with Coursera or any of the suitable browser. I'm going to select Coursera app. You can select off your own. So you can see that that's the course, which is 100% online, and these are all of the descriptions related to the course. On the bottom, you can see an option of Enroll for free. Tap on Enroll for free. Either you can purchase this course for $49 or either enroll it free without a certificate. Tap on Enroll on the right corner. So you can see that join course successfully. So this is how you do it. You have successfully enrolled it for free. Now you can tap on resume and watch it successfully and learn. And yes, learn it for free. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.